Hey guys, it's KRISHGAMEHACKER. Welcome back to another tutorial. So if you click on this video, you must have been starting out in Twitch and you have seen many Twitch streamers having their own custom overlays. So you probably thought how to get your own overlay. If you see through different websites, you can see it for free, but you want a custom overlay. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a basic overlays. As you can see on the screen, I have my banners ready. I'll be showing you how to make some banners. I'm going to show you panels. I'm going to show you some of the main displays which you need for your Twitch stream, which is the main one where you show your gaming footage and your camera, along with some of the starting soon screen, be right back screens, etc. So let's get into the tutorial, shall we? So first you got to open any of the editing software you have and have to make a resolution of 920 into 1080 because that's the standard overlay design or resolution you want it to be. And you should also have the background thing as transparent because we need to export this into as a PNG so that we could do some stuff under the overlays, as I will show you in the near future. So I'm having this at the black background just to see the colors which I'm going to do, and I'm just going to make a basic shape. I'm going to do a ghetto version of my own overlay. So this I'll be starting out with a border, which I'm going to do it on the top right side. My theme is actually more of a techie theme. You can do anything you like, have it completely as your own. I'm just showing the basics of how to do stuff. So I'm also going to add a stroke to give it a little bit of depth, and I'm going to move the other point outside so I don't see the other stroke. I just want the inner stroke to be seen. So that's that. See, that's a nice border on the side. Okay, after the border we can add your text chat over here. This is just a basic blocking, so this will just show you or give you a rough idea. If you want to add your chat, you can add it in the right corner. It's completely your wish, you can do that. And the next area we're going to block is the camera border, so we'll have our camera on that area. You can change the camera border according to your style, or if you want to do a custom shape, have like some rectangle or some techie thing, you can do that too. I'm just going to fill the basic idea. So the next thing you need to have is your widgets. So currently you can't do all of these in Photoshop. We'll have to import these to another software which I use. Is called the streamelements website. I go there, import all the stuff which I need, which is all basically these images. Then I add widgets and make them animated. We do this method just to make sure that we don't overload our OBS, especially for low-end PCs, because having everything running off your own PC CPU is going to be very heavy and may damage our performance in the stream and in games. So it's better to have it all on streamelements. I'm just going to add a little bit more borders and I'll show you the finished product. So that's done, and that's basically my main overlay. So one more thing to keep in mind is that while exporting this thing, we have to remove those camera and the HUD. Those are just for idea. We can remove that and we will export this to streamelements. Now as this is done, the next thing we have to do is to have our starting soon screen. So having a starting soon screen is completely up to you. If you want to have one, you can have one. It's not mandatory to have one. If you like to have one, you can always have that. I'll be showing you one of the basic design I do in my stream. So I do this kind of 1:3 type of display. It blocks 1:3 of the vision of my thing, and then I have the other empty space to play a video. For example, I have now placed a webcam which shows my mouse or keyboard. Before that I used to have some normal motion graphics which I designed. You can go and download them. It's on my Instagram page, or I'll have a Gumroad link down in the description in the future. So you're always welcome to download them. It's completely up to your wish. If you want to add some of your videos or you want to have a webcam over there, it's completely up to you. You can do anything. So we can have the same design of the starting screen for even our back screen and for our ending screen. All you have to do is just replace the text to multiple things, like different text, like a starting screen, the back, and the endings thing. You can change it to them and export them into different files. I did that personally because why do we need to spend most of your time on these overlays where mostly the starting screen, back, and ending screen are not seen by anyone mostly. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. So don't go overboard while designing the starting screen, back, and the ending screen. Have your main focus on the main screen and do not make the main screen also too much clunky, because no one likes that. Having all the widgets just pop and making people confused and not able to see your gameplay is annoying. So please keep in mind on that, and let's hop into the panels. So for the panels, you actually need a new project file because the resolution for the panels is actually very low and you have to make them into the exact resolution according to Twitch. Otherwise you can't upload your photo. That's a bummer, kind of a bummer. So this is one of my own panels. I just going to use this as my template, so I don't need to make a new project file, but I'll show you the resolution soon. This is just me deleting the mask I made just to get my exact shape. So you can have anything in your panels, whatever shape you like, it's all up to you. So you can see the panels here on Twitch. So here, as they asked here, it said it should be 320 pixels wide. So that's going to be our base resolution. We should have our thing as 320 pixels wide. I don't know about the height, but I keep it at 85 because that gives the standard size for the panels. If you want my templates, everything can be found on Gumroad, so obviously free to download that. Okay, now let's get into the process of making a panel. So here you can see me taking a rounded rectangle tool and making a rectangle just to cover the whole canvas, but leave a little bit on the sides so don't collide with them and it looks nice. So this is my base panel. Now I'm just going to do some basic coloring, and then I'm going to add a drop shadow. This drop shadow has to be any color, maybe your accent color. Mine is red, so I'm going to have mine as a red accent color. It gives you a nice look and feel to your Twitch panels, so always think about adding an accent color. And I'm also about to add a logo of mine. I'm going to add a logo. You can always add your logo, or if you don't want that, you can always leave that ahead or leave that behind. It's not mandatory, as I said. It's all about customizability and it's all about you. So whatever you like, always have that. So we just finalized the panel which I was making, and let's hop into the widget making process, which we need streamelements for. So once you're inside streamelements, you have to go to a thing called theme gallery and then go and create your own blank overlay. So once you reach there, you'll have a whole blank canvas. Now to import those stuff which you have made earlier, you have to go to the plus icon, press the static and get yourself the image which you made. For this tutorial I'll be using the one which I already made, or the current one which I'm using at the moment. So that's that, and I'll add that to upload that, then I'll add that into the overlay and just resize it. Okay, and the next thing is to have a timer. So if you press the plus again and go into engagement, you can see a thing called countdown timer. You basically add that and then you get yourself your timer. You can do that in the settings on your left side. And to also fill in the background, you don't want it to be empty or just see the void. You want people to actually see something, have them entertained before they join the stream. So the next thing is you add motion graphics. You can add your camera. As I said before, I use the second camera which I found in my cupboard like 3 hours ago. So I added a slight blur effect on it, and I have it as my keyboard thing for now. So there are many possibilities. You can do anything, whatever you like. You can even add motion graphics, as I said. You can find that in the Gumroad link below, or you can go to my Instagram page and download stuff from there. You're always welcome to get them, and don't, please just credit me if you're about to use that. It really helped me a lot. As you can see, I was trying out these stuff in the browser, and I added to add the video. So I already have a video thing from the Watch Dogs. My overlays go for more of a hackerish theme, or the techie theme, you want to call that thing. So I have one of the Watch Dogs loading screen video with me, so I just did that. Use that into my overlay, and that's how I got my starting zoom screen. You can always try many things. There are many possibilities, so go ahead, get experimenting, and thanks for watching the video.
Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying? It ain't nothing but hard work and dedication. Quit complaining. Look at my life, feel my pain. When it comes to me and you, we're not the same. This is so far from a game. What you saying?